So my name is Matilda, and I'm working here at Capgemini, about 50% at the market sector unit and the rest at applied innovation exchange sector. And I work here with Marcus, my colleague.
Yes, so I'm Marcus, and we joined this team in mid-August as a part of Tekniksprånget, which is a Swedish internship program made to inspire young people to become engineers.
Yeah, and that's exactly what I was looking for. I've always been interested in technology, and I'm also a quite creative person, and I like designing and innovation. So I thought it would be suitable for the atmosphere here at Capgemini.
It's the same for me. I've always loved creating, and programming has been one of my biggest passions for a long time. And that's a thing we've used a lot here, programming. Like as of right now, we're working on a project named Showrooms, in which we display different cutting-edge technologies by visualizing them in different meeting rooms here in the Stockholm office.
Yeah, and that's one of many different projects we've done. We've also worked a bit with robotics and programming and event planning and selling consultants. But that's also been quite a challenge because we've been managing many different responsibilities and having to adapt to different time schedules and working methods can be hard sometimes.
There's so different areas, so the communication can be quite lacking.
Yeah.
And that's a big problem for us right now.
Yeah, but we've learned that communication is the best solution for this, and staying updated with colleagues and letting them know about our schedule, and that's something that a skill that we're going to take with us in the future, and it's been very useful here.
Like in the future when we apply for new jobs or new employments, we can use these skills that we learn are so useful.
Yeah.
Just like being proactive, and being social in every situation.
Yeah, and that's what I would like to do. I think I'm gonna work a bit now, but I would also like to apply for some type of engineering program in the future, where I can combine my technological side and my creative side.
Yeah, it's the same for me. I would like to combine those two, maybe like architecture or
engineering. And that's something that we've learned here, that engineering is not just one thing. It can be so many different ways depending on like your interests.
It's such a big world,
like you can become a designer or a developer or like there's so many different fields within it, and that's something that you learn here at this program, and I think it's useful for students who don't really have a clear picture of what engineering is like.
It would be good to inspire the young people that doesn't know engineering that much.
Yeah.
To show them what the work's about, and like through this program.
Yeah.
Give them more clear picture of the engineering job in total.
And also, I think there's a technical shortage in our society right now, and this program has been a good way to motivate us and also to let us know that there's many different ways into the technical field. There's not just one way of, like, for example, studying to become an engineer. You can also study specifically to become a developer, for example, in Java, which we've learned is very requested, and there's a big demand for it.
Exactly.
So, yeah, I think it's been great.
Yeah, same.